Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back, Paula here, and this is another episode of The Flavor of the Day. If you're new, nice to meet you. Thank you for visiting, and I hope you'll come by more often. Today we're going to talk about sweet potatoes and how to grow them. Sweet potatoes and white potatoes are not the same. The only thing they have in common is the fact that they're a root vegetable. They grow under the ground. Sweet potatoes belong to the morning glory family, and the morning glory vine is a beautiful vine. Sweet potatoes are a vine. White potatoes, and this blew me away because I had no idea, belongs to the nightshade family, which is tomatoes, peppers, eggplant. I was clueless about that. And they grow differently. We all know about potatoes sprouting eyes. If you get a potato that has 5 or 6 eyes on it, you can cut it into 5 pieces and you plant it. You trench a hole called a hill. You plant the eye up and you cover it, not feet under, a cup, like a quarter to a half of an inch of dirt. And as that potato vine grows, you keep hilling the dirt on top of it. Sweet potato is completely different. You've probably seen some videos of people putting like 4 toothpicks in a sweet potato upright and putting it into a jar halfway in water. I chose a different route. This is my sweet potato. I planted him in potting mix probably the last week of March, and this guy is not even a little soft or mushy anywhere. I wish I would have did it like the last week of February, the first week of March. It took 4 weeks for him to start sprouting. I don't see, like, okay. You see that little guy? That's going to become a start. And now I have this. And look at the roots on this guy. When the stems get to be about 5 inches, which I'm probably, after I take those out, I'm going to cut this. You cut it as close to the potato as you can, and you put it in water, and roots will form, and these are called slips. And you take the slip and you plant it in the ground. And this one slip is going to give me, I don't know, 5, 6, maybe 8 sweet potatoes. So let's go outside and plant some potato slips. Alrighty. It's hot again. We're going between summer and, I hate to use the word winter, because California really doesn't have, at least Southern California, really doesn't have winter. How about fall and summer? So I'm going to point you down so you can see what my bed looks like. Hold on. Okay. I have my rows kind of trenched, and I'm going to lay, I have 5 slips. And first, you know, when I did the tomatoes, I talked about the biotone from Espoma. I really like it. It's a good nutritional boost for the plants. So I just take a handful, and I'm gonna do 3 in each row. And get my little trowel, work it in. And I'm going to lay each. Look at the roots on this guy. He's pretty awesome. Lay it in. And cover it up. And then we will water. And they might look a little sad at first because, like everything else, it gets shock. And there's not much you can do about that. You know what? I'm going to have to, well, let's see if I could reach. I only have 2. Oh, I have 3 more. How do you like that? Okay, I thought I only had 5. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. I'll point you down a little more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I usually wear gloves, but sometimes I just like to feel the dirt and what I'm doing. It's my nails that kind of drive me a little wacky, but that's why I usually wear gloves. But sometimes I just like to feel the dirt on my hands. And that's it. 6 sweet potatoes, friends. I'm going to get the watering can and water. You can see there. And I'll show you. Just get them nice and watered. And as these grow, I will keep filling the water on top of it. I'm gonna unhook you so you can see a little better. Hang on there. The sun is really bright and I'm sweating already, but I'm gonna point you down, and these are my potatoes. And here's a new one coming up. You cover with the dirt, keep hilling it, because it makes for better tasting potatoes. And here's a above ground or higher up perspective of when I get 3 more, I'll put them here. But there you go. 6 sweet potato slips. Not too shabby, huh? I hope you enjoyed today's flavor of the day. I enjoyed bringing it to you, especially because my sweet potatoes are in the ground. It does take 100 days. They're not, it's not a quick harvest. And they like warm weather, so they're in the right place, believe you me. So thank you for coming, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. Until next time, go create something wonderful.